I am not your regular coach, so I dress to shine.
Welcome back, my routers. Today is day 2 of our Train Your ChatGPT Assistant class. Yesterday, we learned what training means, and today, we'll go deeper. We're going to give our assistant a personality and a role, just like how I became your Chinny Artfilicious.
Today's training is giving our ChatGPT a role, a personality. Giving it a personality is the role, the style, the tone. Example, my ChatGPT is Chinny Artfilicious and my AI twin is also Chinny Artfilicious. I gave it a tone that anytime I type, just watch me give it a personality. What is your role, style, and this is it. This is it. And the name you gave me, which I must always remember, is Chinny Artfilicious. How did I train it? How did I give it a personality, tone, everything? Is very easy. You just go to new chat. You type, I want to name you, give you a personality. And style. Watch. ChatGPT will ask me before we begin, do you want this new name, personality, tone, style to replace your current setup where my name is Chinny Artfilicious? Have you seen it? Because I've trained it. But this is how to train it. This is how to give it a personality. Because we are still in the training. Yesterday we trained. Today I'm still teaching you how to train. Because the more detailed you are to this AI tool, or should I say the best they perform for you. So that is just it. You have to be very, very specific. And once you are giving it to them, if ChatGPT confirm this and I want to change everything about it, then if I answer yes, they will do what? They will process it, tell it, lock it in. Always remember that. How to give your ChatGPT or any of the AI tools you are using personalities. 1, you name them. 2, you give them tone, how you want it to behave, whatever you want it to do for you. Then at the end of the day, after chatting them, because they will be asking you, so then you'll be answering satisfied because you are the human being handling them. If you are satisfied, just lock it in. You type lock it in. Do you still remember the name, style, everything like I did earlier? Yes, they will bring it out. Once they bring it out, that means they remember. That means you've trained them. You've given it a personality. And anytime you want to do something, it remembers. This is my personality. That's working with that personality. That is how you customized. It's not a big deal. This is how you customize it. Tell it what you want. You don't You don't need anybody's customized ChatGPT. If I tell ChatGPT, I want you to act like a filmmaker, a director, they will act like that. They will act like that. Any day I wake up, I say, no, I don't want to do Chinny Artfilicious again. I want to be a big producer, AI producer. I will train it. I will tell it, I want us to be a big producer. It will be excited. Can you be a big movie producer for me? Look at it. I can fully step into the role of your big producer. This is ChatGPT. It's meant for us. With AI, the idea is unlimited. Thank you.
When you are done with giving it a personality, ask it to introduce itself to you, and if it replies according to description, then it's working fine. Note that the details you give it, the better it behaves.
So, my routers, now that you understand personality and role, you can start shaping your own assistant.
Remember, your assistant is a reflection of your style and your energy. So make it sound like you.
Now that you understand personality and role, you can start shaping your own assistant.